Welcome, animal enthusiasts and knowledge seekers, to our countdown of the smartest animals in the world. Kicking off at number 3, we have the bonobos. Bonobos, native to the heart of the Congo Basin in Africa, are one of our closest living relatives, sharing about 98% of our DNA. But it's not just our genetic makeup that we share. Bonobos also exhibit a fascinating level of intelligence that sets them apart in the animal kingdom. These primates have a remarkable ability to understand human language. Studies have shown that bonobos can comprehend spoken words and can even respond appropriately to simple phrases. Some bonobos, like the famous chimpanzee, have been trained to communicate with humans using lexigram boards, demonstrating their impressive linguistic skills. But their intelligence doesn't stop at language comprehension. Bonobos are also known for their problem-solving abilities. In the wild, they use tools to access food, build shelters, and protect themselves. In captivity, they can solve complex puzzles and tasks, often quicker than other primates. Their ability to understand cause and effect, and their perseverance in problem-solving is truly astounding. What's more, bonobos exhibit a level of empathy that is rarely seen in the animal kingdom. They comfort each other in times of distress, share food with strangers, and even exhibit behavior akin to altruism. This empathy, combined with their social skills, shows a depth of emotional intelligence that many humans could learn from. Bonobos, with their extraordinary linguistic, problem-solving, and empathetic abilities, truly deserve their spot in our countdown. They remind us that intelligence comes in many forms, and that our understanding of it continues to evolve as we delve deeper into the animal kingdom. So that's our third smartest animal, the bonobos. Can you guess which animal ranks second? Stay tuned. Continuing our countdown, we have the orangutan at number 2. These amazing creatures never cease to surprise us with their intelligence. Orangutans, the flame-haired apes from the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra, are truly one of nature's marvels. Orangutans are remarkably intelligent. One of the most striking demonstrations of their intellectual prowess is their use of tools. Orangutans have been observed using sticks to extract honey or insects from tree trunks, proving their ability to use tools to solve problems and get food. They've even been known to fashion umbrellas out of large leaves to protect themselves from the rain. But the intelligence of orangutans goes beyond tool use. They also possess impressive memory abilities. Orangutans have been known to remember the locations of temporary food sources and even the exact pathways through the dense forest they once traveled. This memory serves as a survival skill, allowing them to find food and avoid danger in their complex forest home. Perhaps one of the most intriguing aspects of orangutan intelligence is their ability to understand the concept of the future. They can plan ahead, a trait once thought to be exclusive to humans. For instance, orangutans have been observed to anticipate a future need and take steps to meet it, like saving a tool for later use, or even creating a mental map of the forest to navigate through it later. This forward-thinking approach is a clear testament to their extraordinary cognitive abilities. Moreover, orangutans are great problem solvers. They can figure out how to get out of a tight spot or how to reach an out-of-the-way food source. They are capable of strategic thinking and can adapt their behavior to new situations, which is a sign of advanced cognition. As we delve deeper into the world of orangutans, we are continually amazed by their intelligence and their ability to understand and manipulate their environment. It's a humbling reminder that we are not the only intelligent beings on this planet. Aren't they just fascinating? But before we reveal our number 1, let's take a look at 2 honorable mentions. Now, we cannot continue our countdown without paying homage to 2 incredibly intelligent creatures that didn't quite make the top 3, but certainly deserve recognition: the dolphins and elephants. Let's dive into the world of dolphins first. These marine marvels are known for their advanced cognitive abilities. Dolphins possess a complex communication system, often using unique whistles and clicks that function much like our own human languages. They can understand syntax and respond to symbolic language, which is pretty remarkable, don't you think? Moreover, dolphins are exceptional problem solvers. They've been observed using tools, like sponges, to protect their snouts while foraging on the ocean floor. This behavior isn't just random, it's learned and passed down from generation to generation, showing a clear example of dolphin culture. Now, let's shift our focus from the ocean to the vast landscapes of Africa and Asia, home to the majestic elephants. Elephants are renowned for their long-term memory. An elephant can remember the location of water sources over incredibly vast distances and recall these locations even after many years. This acute memory aids their survival in the harsh environments they inhabit. But it's not just about memory. Elephants also display profound emotional intelligence. They grieve their dead, showing signs of distress when a member of their herd passes away. They've been known to stand over the body of their fallen comrade in silence, touching the bones gently with their trunks. It's a poignant display of empathy and understanding, reinforcing just how complex and deep their emotional world is. These memorable mentions certainly deserve their applause. Now let's move on to the main event, the smartest animal in the world. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The crown for the smartest animal in the world goes to the chimpanzee. In the grand theater of nature, the chimpanzee takes center stage, outperforming all others with its exceptional intelligence. These fascinating creatures are the closest living relatives to humans, sharing almost 98% of our DNA. But what truly sets them apart is their profound cognitive abilities. Chimpanzees are renowned for their use of tools. They craft sticks into probes to extricate insects from their nests, or stones to crack open nuts. This ability to manipulate objects to achieve a goal is not just a display of intelligence, but also evidence of their problem-solving skills. But the marvel doesn't stop there. Chimpanzees, just like us, can recognize themselves in a mirror. This profound self-awareness is a rare trait in the animal kingdom and is indicative of their high cognitive functioning. Now let's peek into the world of chimpanzee social structures. They live in communities, each with a complex hierarchy that requires a keen understanding of social dynamics. They form alliances, engage in power plays, and even reconcile after conflicts. Their ability to navigate these social intricacies is a testament to their intelligence, but the genius of these creatures extends beyond their natural habitat. Chimpanzees have been known to learn sign language, bridging the communication gap between our worlds. It's not just a few signs either. Some chimpanzees have been taught hundreds of signs, allowing them to express complex thoughts and emotions. As if that wasn't impressive enough, let's talk about their memory skills. Studies have shown that chimpanzees have an extraordinary ability to remember things. They can recall the locations of numerous items, outperforming humans in memory tests. This remarkable memory is key to their survival, helping them remember where food is located or where potential dangers lurk. So we've discovered that the chimpanzee is a tool user, a self-recognizer, a social strategist, a sign language learner, and a memory master. But there's so much more to these remarkable creatures. They demonstrate empathy, they mourn their dead, and they even have a sense of fairness. Their intelligence is not just about solving problems or remembering things, it's also about understanding the world around them and their place in it. The chimpanzee, with its extraordinary intellect, challenges our perception of what it means to be intelligent. They remind us that we are not alone in our cognitive abilities, and that intelligence comes in many forms, not just the ones we are familiar with. So, there you have it, the chimpanzee, the smartest animal in the world. How many of these facts did you know? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What an enlightening journey through the animal kingdom we've had, haven't we? We've encountered the bonobo, our third smartest animal, whose intelligence shines through their complex social structure and ability to use tools. Then we met the orangutan, a close second, renowned for their impressive problem-solving skills and memory. Our honorable mentions, the dolphins and elephants, certainly deserve applause. Dolphins, with their sophisticated communication skills, and elephants, known for their deep emotional intelligence, are both testament to the diverse forms of intellect. Lastly, we crowned the chimpanzee as the #1 smartest animal. Their incredible capacity for learning, mimicking human behavior, and using tools astounds us all. What a diverse, vibrant spectrum of intelligence we've seen, stretching across species and continents. Thank you for joining us on this intellectual safari. Always remember, intelligence comes in many forms, and it's all around us in the animal kingdom. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.